Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to place an order on Papa John's online. Open the website papajohns.com, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, browse on the menu. In this video, I would like to order a pizza. So once you've decided on your order, select the size, quantity, and variant. Then click on Add to Order. A pop-up window will appear from which you could select some add-ons. If you wish to add more, click on the Add button. If not, click on Continue. Once you've added all the items you want to order, click on the cart icon. On this page, you will see the list of your orders. To proceed, click on Checkout. Now, review your contact information. If you chose delivery, review your delivery address. You could also give an instruction to the driver, but it's optional. However, if you want to switch to carry-out type of order, click on Change to Carry-out. After that, select the payment method, either credit card, cash, or gift card. If you also selected credit card, enter all the required information. Then click on the Review Your Order button. Lastly, review the order summary. If everything looks good, click on the Place Your Order button. That's how you place an order on Papa John's online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.